Hi there, I'm Meteorologist Chikage Windler, and we are tracking another big change, an Arctic blast heading our way. So if you've got outdoor plans, if you need to do some yard work, put up the rest of the holiday decorations, go get your tree, Wednesday is your day. After that, all bets are off. Cold is here, windy too, and we might even see some frozen precipitation along the way. All right, let's start with a look at temperatures. Today we made it to a high of 85 at Camp Mabry, just 1 degree away from our record. It hit 86 at ABIA, which beat the old record by 2 degrees. Another day in the 80s on the way for your Wednesday. The cold front comes through Thursday in the morning. We will see falling temperatures. Highs in the morning in the 60s. We fall into the 40s. Then that leaves us with a cold blast, both Friday and Saturday, the majority of which will be spent in the 30s. So that introduces the possibility that we could see some freezing rain on early Friday morning, maybe even a bit of freezing drizzle both Saturday morning and Sunday morning, but that looks like much more of a minor situation. Let me take you hour by hour through your Friday. First, we'll start you with a wider view to show you the progress of that cold front. It makes it into North Texas by around 6 o'clock on Wednesday, continuing to pull towards Central Texas by around 8 a.m. on Thursday. Notice not a lot of precipitation with the front. What you'll notice on the Thursday is going to be the temperature change, not so much the moisture. But there will be some moisture that starts to pull in, especially through Oklahoma and North Texas by late day Thursday. And then we'll continue to watch as that cold front presses southward and a little bit of moisture pulls in early Friday morning. So here's a look at your hour by hour future track, showing both temperatures as well as clouds and precipitation. Behind that front, we're going to drop from around 61 degrees early Thursday down into the upper 40s and low 50s as early as mid-morning. Kind of settle into the 40s through your afternoon on Thursday, falling into the 30s by the time we reach early Friday. So here's midnight Thursday night. Notice already a stripe of some mixed precipitation, which is likely going to be freezing rain from Llano out toward Junction, Mason, and Fredericksburg. Still above the freezing mark through the I-35 corridor. Watch what happens as we press forward in time. 3 a.m., temperatures continue to fall. Johnson City, Fredericksburg, Llano, Kerrville, all below freezing. There may be enough icing that bridges and overpasses could become slick in those locations. Fast forward to the early morning rush. It looks as though we're going to be right on the edge through the Austin area. North and west, cold enough for some icing. South and east, just above that freezing mark. And then most of the moisture pulls away as temperatures start to fall even further. So, needless to say, it's going to be a tricky period of watching temperatures like a hawk. All right, let me put it all together for you. This is a very busy 7-day forecast. Wednesday, we're going to have some fog in the morning. The record is 84. I'm forecasting 82 degrees. Thursday, 62 in the morning, falling into the 40s very quickly as the cold front pushes through, bringing with it maybe a scattered shower as well as some wind. Friday morning, that's the area I'm most concerned about the potential for some freezing rain and icing, especially in the hill country. Temperatures may struggle for highs only in the 30s most locations. Right now I've got 40 in Austin. We'll see if that even pans out. Then upcoming weekend, 20s at wake up time Saturday. That's why there's the possibility of some patchy morning freezing drizzle. A high Saturday of just 37 degrees. Sunday we start below freezing. We do warm up later but could still see a touch of freezing drizzle. Never a dull moment in Texas. Enjoy the change and make sure you bundle up and don't forget about the plants and pets. And at this point, some areas out in the hill country could see a bit of a hard freeze as well, so you might be concerned about the pipes as we get into the deepest of this cold. Hang in there.